Hello, and welcome to AutoBrowse AI. AutoBrowse AI is a powerful no-code platform that turns repetitive website tasks into reusable automations. Instead of manually researching websites, clicking through pages, collecting information, or filling out the same forms again and again, you can build the task once and let AutoBrowse AI repeat it when needed. So let's log in and I'll show you exactly how it works. Once I log in, this is the AutoBrowse AI dashboard. From here, you can manage automations, monitor browser runtimes, access ready-made blueprints, view collected data, and control everything from one place. You also have the Smart Guide here. It does much more than answer questions. You can use it to create automations, manage tasks, navigate the platform through a simple conversation. Now let's open automations. For a quick example, I want to find highly rated hotels in Florida and collect the business name, website, phone number, rating, and location. I'll name this Hotel Finder, choose Find a Ready-Made Job, select the Hotel Finder blueprint, and click Create Automation. And here we are. AutoBrowse AI has already prepared the workflow. I just enter the destination and, if needed, add a preference. I can run it right away or schedule it to run automatically later. Once everything is set, I simply click Start Runtime. AutoBrowse AI now begins working through the task step by step. I can see the runtime progressing in real time while it searches, processes the information, and prepares the results. And there we go. The runtime is complete, and the results are ready. It completed the task and collected hotel results, organized automatically. I can review them, open them in the Data Vault, or export them as CSV or JSON. If I want more control, I can open Advanced Canvas. This is a complete drag-and-drop workflow builder. The available nodes are on the left. I can drag a node onto the canvas, connect the steps, and customize exactly how the automation works. Next is the Blueprint Library. Here you'll find ready-to-go templates for research, lead generation, form filling, job finding, product research, and more. For example, I'll choose competitor price and feature research, click Setup, enter email marketing software as the category, and start the runtime. AutoBrowse AI now starts working through the competitor research, gathering and comparing the relevant details while I can follow the runtime progress. And there we go. The research is finished, giving me a clear side-by-side comparison of pricing, free plans, key features, and websites, all ready to review. Next, runtime sessions. Every time an automation runs, a runtime session is created. Here I can see previous runs, their status, records collected, and open any session to inspect the execution. And finally, the Data Vault. This is where the structured results from my automations are stored. I can open any dataset, review the information, and export it as CSV or JSON whenever I need it. So that's AutoBrowse AI. Build once, reuse whenever you need, use ready-made workflows to move faster, customize everything with the drag-and-drop canvas, and keep your results organized in one place. AutoBrowse AI. Build once, reuse forever, and export clean results.